Hello, my name is Donny, and this is Sox 23 News. Now for our top story. There's been a recent major fish kill along the Snake River. Our local scientists have been struggling to figure out the cause of this, and it has many citizens concerned. We now go to Daniel Darkins with the news on this top story.
Hello, this is Daniel Darkins. We're here at the Snake River where wildlife has been dying for unforeseen circumstances.
Get some crappy water!
Scientists have been researching the probable cause for this fish kill. We will keep you updated throughout this program.
Thank you, Daniel, for that very interesting update. But it's not only the scientists that have been concerned, but it's also the citizens as well. We now go to Moss and Act here with interviews on some of these citizens.
Thanks, Wani. This is our first interview with one of the citizens over the recent fish kill. His name is Pablo Sombrero El Salvador Quinceañera. Come on, this is his trailer over here. Hello, Mr. El Salvador Quinceañera. Would you like to comment on the recent fish kill?
I do not like the fish dying. It does not look good to our economy. It makes the place stink.
We can't understand you, sir. I think only about 5% of our audience can understand you. Please speak English.
This is the best English I speak.
Well, it's not good enough, sir. Try harder.
May I go get my translator?
Yes, sir, you can.
I do not really have one. I do not have enough money.
Okay, sir. Well, just try your best, and then.
Ever since the fish kill, the monster from the sea has been around my house, and I do not like it.
Yeah. Any more?
I do not have any more comments, but I have my own well that I dig myself, so the water does not affect me as much as it does the other people that run off city water.
All right. Is there any more that you can comment on, Mr. El Salvador?
Yes, if the government would like, I would like to get the monster away from my house because I do not like it being here.
Okay. Well, I suppose that's it. That is our first interview with one of the citizens here near Snake River. Now we are going to our second interview. Wait, what's that? It's a gimpy!
No! You stupid animal, get off my house!
Oh crap, we gotta get out! Get out! Get out! No! Keep filming, keep filming! Alright, here we have our second interview. This is Bob from Bob's Minute Mart. Okay, Bob, how has the fish kill impacted your business?
Well, it impacted my business. You know, it's pretty bad down here, man. Most of the stuff in my store is based from fish, and the stuff that I sell is really basically ruined because of the fish and everything, the river. So if it doesn't work out, I think I'm gonna have to go out of business, man.
And Bob, what do you think the cause of the fish kill is?
Oh, if you really want to know what the real cause is, well, you'll have to buy some things from my store so you can find out.
Well, that does it for this interview. Let's go on to our third one. Third interview is with Mr. Turd Ferguson of Riverwood High. So, Mr. Turd, how is this fish kill impacting your teaching?
Well, the kids get a couple of days off from school because, you know, the government and all that non-mumbo-jumbo stuff is messing with my paychecks, and I don't like it.
What do you believe is the cause of the fish kill?
Personally, you know, y'all can all think it's the oxygen dissolving in the water, but I think it's the aliens, man. It's the aliens!
But sir, you're a chemistry teacher. You shouldn't be teaching your students if there's any possible reason why there is a fish kill. Whether it's the nitrates, whether there's something in the water like PCBs or pesticides. What comment do you have to make on that?
It's the aliens, man! I'm telling you! It's the aliens! And now a commercial break.
Mr. Gumpy, Mr. Gumpy, can you please tell us how this fish kill is affecting you? Dude, we're trying to ask you a question. Dude, you're... Keep filming!
Oh Lord! Jesus Christ!
And here's an interview we did recently, just yesterday, with a parent who works at Riverwood plant.
Well, man, I mean, I just hope that I don't get laid off because, man, we've been working so hard at the plant. And I don't want my boy to grow up thinking his dad is a loser, man. I hope the scientists find out what's going on, man. You hear me? Son, I love you! I will make sure, I will support you. I will make sure that whatever is causing this, we will get the scientists to work on it and to make sure it's clean so I can get my job back and that you have a supporting family who can give you much love.
And now Daniel Darkins and Ravis Titchman on newest updates of our fish kill data.
And here's the graphs.
Yeah.
Okay, Mostyn. Identify what data was looked at over the past 2 years.
Well, Wani, the data that was looked at over the past 2 years was pH levels, the water flow of Snake River, the water temperature and the dissolved oxygen in the water, the rainfall, PCBs and pesticides, molecular compounds such as organic carbon, nitrate, and phosphate, heavy metal levels including lead, cadmium, and mercury, and I believe that's it.
Alright, Ravis, identify what factors were not normal during the week of the fish kill.
Well, the factors that were not normal during the fish kill was water flow, water temperature and dissolved oxygen, rainfall, and pesticides and nitrates.
Alright, Daniel, identify at least 2 possible causes of these abnormalities.
2 possible causes could be the acid rain, which makes an increase in nitrates in the water, or the decreased amount of dissolved oxygen in the water.
Alright, Mostyn. Identify who may be responsible for these abnormal factors.
The most likely person that's responsible for these factors would be farmers because nitrates and pesticides, which were the 2 factors that increased drastically during that week of the fish kill, farmers used nitrates and pesticides to protect their crops from insects. And I would believe that the 2 compounds would be runoff into the water.
Ravis, identify what should be done to fix these problems.
I think we should go to local farmers and tell them to stop using nitrate and pesticides.
Should the fish off happen?
No, I don't think so, because the fish are still contaminated, and the process of cleaning it out would take a while to, the processing.
Explain how we will know when the water is back to normal.
We'll know when the water is back to normal when the fish start thriving in their natural habitat again.
Oh, you ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
On our newest update of these. Alright, y'all give me some time again. Alright, yeah, hey, y'all shut up!
Pesticides and nitrate.
Alright, y'all shut up! Hey, shh! We're filming!
5 o'clock.
Do that.
Ravis. Identify.
You gonna go, Matt?
No. I've been researching to realize. Dang it! See, I got messed.
Farmers and tell them to stop using nitrates and pesticides.
Do you think the fish off should happen?
No,
All right, for the past 2 years, we have looked at pH levels.
I didn't even ask you what.
What?
I didn't even ask. I said.
Your business.
oh well, man. The fish, it's kind of ruining my business. With the foul, I can't start over.
All right, Austin. Identify what data was looked at for over the past 2 years of the fish kill.
It's Mostyn.
I'm a white gangster, actually.
And then another.
But they don't
side
know
question
that.
to ask.
Because there have been recent sightings of a guppy in Riverwood.
Yes! Yes! That's awesome.
Habitat again, and let's start over.
Yeah.